Access Control, West University Place, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in West University Place County, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in West University Place, Texas. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today, 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/West University Place access control/.